Any insights discussed today are not intended to be buy, sell, or hold recommendations. Rather, they're for educational purposes only. Every investor listening makes his or her own investment decisions, unless you're a client, of course. Tell us what is going on with crypto. Let's just start there because I like the story that you were painting. And
okay. Crypto seems to be giving a bit of hope for investors as price has been consolidating for the past 3 weeks. For Bitcoin, the price has been consolidating around the psychological level of 20,000. And the price even went as low as 17,000, I think, on the week of the 12th of June. But it didn't close at that level. I think the lowest close since the recent fall has been as that's the worst close has been as 19,300 thereabouts. But we open that if price closes above 21,000 before the end of this week, this might actually lead to the next major rally towards 48,000. And I see Ethereum to follow same route to see above 3,500. Solana too will move, and other altcoins will move, which will, in the long run, increase the value of NFTs in the market.
Well, I wanted to add on a technical standpoint too, from what I'm looking at on my charts, is that we have seen a complete reversal being completed in Ethereum and Bitcoin, are the two that I'm looking at. And we've kind of held above major support levels. For Ethereum, it's people usually talk about 1,000, but the support I've been watching since it broke the 7.6%, really the 6.8% Fibonacci level, way back in like, I don't know, in May. That support level that I've been watching is like 800. So it's 805. And that's been holding to the downside. We have that spike low. I'm looking at a weekly. So the week of June 13th. So no, just like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. So I like what you're talking about with the these prices kind of bottoming out and finding new support, or finding old support. We can see buyers step in as well. I thought it was interesting you said stocks would also not only rally, but also make new all-time highs.
Yes, looking at the SPS, SPS is currently ranging around 3,000, or probably was able to jump to 3,900 today. The current all-time high is around 4,800 thereabouts. So I'm believing that in the next few months, or probably this quarter, we might be seeing a rally to the current all-time high at 4,800, and we might just be reaching 5,000 if the bulls could push price higher. So this might be a very good time for investors to invest in stocks, and because we could be seeing a rally, which could actually bring in a lot of profits, at least despite because of the huge fall that actually occurred recently. So those who have cash could actually invest a lot at this point, and they could profit in the next few months.
Yeah, I like what I'm seeing here with the SPX2. The correction has been a shallow correction, which is actually very bullish in the long term for the stock market index. So I also like the bullish picture that you're painting for stocks in general. And I think it's a good lesson for investors to think about many feeling like they needed to sell out of their holdings during this this correction. I mean, it was a bear market, but it's really a correction. It's very healthy for asset and price action to go through consolidations, as we know. So I am wanting folks to like really think about how they were feeling during this time with their money. And like you said, if you have cash, it's time to put it to work. So this is the opportunity, and it's the summertime, so people are being lazy with it. So you actually have, you don't have to hurry up and buy. You can be thoughtful about what you want to invest your money in. Think about the bigger trends. Think about the innovations that are coming, and think about companies that are led by strong teams. So yeah, I like that a lot. What about commodities? Are we going to see lower oil prices?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the price of oil being stabilized around well, I'm looking forward to $67 per barrel. That's
Okay.
for the WTI price. Most likely then we should see the Brent crude oil price at 69 or $70. So, well, in the next few months, or probably this quarter, we should be seeing a stable price around 2 digits oil price. So, yes, that's for the oil price. For other commodities like gold, well, we should be seeing the gold price still falling. But I'm not too sure the kind of fall is going to happen, but we should be seeing it probably getting below 1700, which could be the first. It could be it could be falling below 700 since August 2021. It could fall below that, or probably even fall below 1600, depending on how the investors probably let go of gold, or probably because gold is actually seen as a safe haven. So,
Right.
but for now, if 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 as price is falling down, then we also seeing the USD falling. With investors will be looking for alternatives, probably to invest in stocks or probably invest in crypto as time goes on, because at this point in time, the consolidation happening with the USD with other pairs might end up leading to USD losing its value against other currencies. And currently now, the gold and other currency, other major commodities are losing their value with the current deal.
Okay, so you're just talking about when, as the dollar is rising, it's going to, these commodities are going to lose value just based on the strong dollar.
So currently now, the dollar is in charge of the market, like compared to all of the currencies, but it's
Right.
currently consolidating against other currencies. If dollar falls, we might be seeing gold rallying. But for oil, I don't see oil price rallying. I see it as a dude probably maintaining price stabilizing around 70, 80 for a long period of time.
And I think lastly, what are some names that, some stocks that you're liking? So I think I like some of these companies that kind of manage cash flow, even if it was painful. And
oh, okay.
Well, yeah, looking at companies like Disney, that with Disney below, let's see where it is before fell below 100 last week. Disney is always a good buy below 100. That's our own little secret at FM Capital Group. We like Disney. I still like Coinbase. I still do. And I think it's cheap as all get out, below $100.
Yeah, Coinbase is currently cheap.
Like crazy. Yeah, Disney's still below 100. I think all these pandemic gains have been erased, but I don't think they're gone. I think, like you, I think we're gonna see new all-time highs as I think a lot of people have cash too. I think it's
today, I think generally all stock prices or the stock market is doing well as of now. So it's all green as of this moment. Might be closing red before the end of the market day, like today. But for now, all still showing green, that the market is good for today. So investors probably we started, or probably who are day trading, or who invest or who and got into the market at the beginning of the market day to day, probably and close at the end of the day, might just be into something profitable for the day, because all market prices are all showing green.
All right. So what are we thinking about for Q3 as we look ahead into the quarter? It's the top of July. I think that we will continue. I think we'll continue to consolidate, but I think we'll consolidate upwards now. I don't think we'll see new lows from here in stocks in particular. I think the dollar will continue to rally against major currencies, and I think crypto will. Well, crypto is a hard call for me, but I do think that we've seen a bottoming out here, at least in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which, will move the rest of the market. So I don't know if we'll see new all-time highs this quarter, but I do think we have seen the bottom. Di, what about you?
For me, this call might be a bit hard or challenging because the current rally of USD against other pairs is quite alarming. Looking at the USD JPY that reached 136.00 for the first time since 1998. I feel that rally may be put to hold for a while, as for example, the JPY might just appreciate against the dollar, just like the euro might actually appreciate against the USD. So just see, even if the dollar is going to appreciate, the appreciation is going to be altered a bit for other currencies to just appreciate, which is more like a correction. So, but at least for now, price has been consolidating the past few weeks. That's for the currencies. Well, the rally for crypto has begun. So we should just see, we might just wake up one day and just see price from 21 to like 30K. So, but it's very possible investors who have cash to invest in crypto at this point, this might just be a very good bet for them. It's going long. It's a good buy at this point.
Very good. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much, Dial.
Thank you very much, Lydia.